Hi, Jonty.
Hi.
You ready to do some more sorting?
Yes.
Brilliant. Just going to have a look at the sounds that we did in our last session. Can you remember this sound? We've got our
snake.
That's right.
I
We've got
understand
our
why we call it snake, and also it looks like a serpent.
It does, doesn't it? It does actually, that one. Well done. And we've got our That's right. We do a gentle don't we? And then we've got our That's right.
I remember the last video I was like an airplane because I won.
That's right, you did do an airplane when you
Bingo!
won. Right, on our table we've got a train with 3 carriages. We've got our carriage, our carriage, and our carriage. So, well done. We're going to sort some pictures, okay? So, let's have a look. I've got a seal. Can you put the seal in the right carriage? In the carriage. Where's it going to go?
Here, sister.
Is it a seal or is it a peel? Should it go in the seal or peel carriage?
Seal.
Seal. Do you want to pop it in the right one? Good boy. Okay. Pear. Can you put that in the right carriage?
Do you want a pear?
Yeah. Well done. Next one. Have a look. Peas. Where do our peas go?
Lovely peas. Are they sweetie?
Super. Next one. I've got a knee. Super. Well done, Jonty. Good sorting. Next one. I'm going to show you the picture and I want you to see if you can pop it in the right one, okay? I'm not going to say it. What's this one?
Pink.
Pink. That's right. Pepper pink. Let's try another one. I'll just show you it.
Soap.
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 Okay, let's do one more.
Dust.
I've got a
Eggs. A nest.
A nest, so it's for nest. Super. Right, now we want to be playing a pairs game, okay? So we're going to be looking for pictures with matching sounds, okay? So the sound might be, we're going to choose S, or it could be P. So we're going to be looking for pictures with matching sounds, okay? So let me just pop some out. Okay, just 2 more. Right.
Now we need to mix
There we go. Okay, mixy. Right, you ready to turn one over? You go first. Okay, so pop it down so we can see it.
Pizza.
Pizza. Now you need to turn over another one and see if you've got a matching sound. See if you can find another picture. Paw. Do pizza and paw both match?
Pizza ball, yeah.
So you get to keep them. Well done. My turn. I've got a 6 and a pie. Are they matching?